The British Olympic champion Mo Faarax hit headlines around the world this week after revealing in a BBC documentary that he was brought into the UK illegally as a child. He said he was given the name Mohammed Faarax and made to work as a domestic servant. BBC Somali's Siddiq Burmat is based in Somaliland, where Mo was born. From the capital, Hargeisa, he tells us how people have reacted to the story.
When it comes to Somalis, Mo Faarax was already different from other celebrities in the world. The reason is that they see him as their son. This is why the new documentary had such a profound effect on Somali people. People are very vocal and they are analyzing and questioning the information that Mo Faarax shared in the film. In Somali social media, this story has gone viral. Some people are saying that he made a brave decision to tell the world that his well-known name is not his real name. Others wonder if there is a bigger ongoing story behind his decision to speak about his childhood and what happened to him. There are also a lot of jokes about names going around social media. People are posting imaginary names for themselves and for celebrities and well-known people. The town where Mo Faarax's family lives is called Gibili, and it's around 6 kilometers from Hargeisa. It's now the most talked about town in Somaliland. Almost all of the residents know Mo Faarax's family. For Somalis, Mo Faarax is not unusual in ending up with a different name from the one that he was given at birth. This part of the story is not surprising. Many Somalis in the diaspora are living now with the names of the people who helped them to move to Europe. But it means a lot for Mo Faarax's family that he has shared his rightful name, Hussein Abdi Kahin. I spoke to his twin brother, Hassan Abdi Kahin, who is here in Somaliland. He told me that it was a happy day for them all.
Siddiq Burmat speaking from Hargeisa in Somaliland, where he reports for BBC Somali Service.